I was on the way home from the flea market and I stopped at this yard sale. Antiques everywhere. Stay to the very end and I'll show you everything I bought and how much it's worth. Sure is a nice gas pump.
It can be yours.
How much?
Asking 35 or best offer.
It looks good. I have a YouTube channel. Is it all right if I video some of this antique?
What's your YouTube channel?
Georgia Bottle Picker.
A lot of reseller YouTubes out.
Is that right? I go to flea markets mostly. But I saw the yard sale sign on the way home from the flea market.
I hit the flea markets any day that, it's not yard sale season.
There's a lot better deals at yard sales. One like this is cool. Man, this is some cool stuff.
Wow. I appreciate it. Good luck with the rest. I hope you sell your pump, man. Thank you.
I'm gonna buy these. I didn't bring them all over here, but
All right.
I'm gonna set them here. Is this sold?
Yeah, all this is silver.
How much is this?
That's a queen. That's $20.
20 bucks. I'm gonna put that with my pile there.
Sean, your nephew, was that 80?
Shame that one is messed up.
Which one's messed up?
Just the one.
It comes off.
That's
We
the
have
silver
sulfur
comes
water.
through it?
It's the silver comes
Oh,
through. If you
okay,
wash
okay.
it, it'll come back.
These are not real drink crates. I thought they were real drink crates, but they weren't.
What'd you find, Cindy?
These two pieces don't go together? They don't fit, won't fit?
No, sir.
See if I got a fiver. What? I think so.
Could you make me a package deal if I make a pile?
We'll try to.
All right. I have a weakness for enamelware.
Well, good. We got a lot of it.
I know it. I can't hardly take it.
Thank you.
I can't hardly take it.
Yeah, I did. And the one set is really great. 80 is not bad for it. I just don't know if that's what Robert needs. wish I did this. I do the paint.
Oh yeah, the gooseberry.
How much are your green grapes?
20.
That's a big.
I'm gonna put this in my pile too.
Okay.
It's got that
What's the price on it?
25.
All right.
It's got that enamel top.
I've got a enamel table like this. I got the legs off of it if you want to look at it.
Y'all look at it before I leave. I'm interested. I love enamel. Does this piece here go with the pump?
Yes. Well,
That's great.
I can sell it separately. I'll do 20 on it.
20.
Hey,
There's
Carol.
one little crack on it.
I saw that.
Oh yeah, I see the crack.
Your price on that?
No. How much is this?
$20 on this foot locker. That's nice.
I gave that if it was pink. I looked at the green.
Little boom box.
I think there's also a little tall fruit bathtub in there too.
Is that right? I can't tell the price on this one.
I'll do $2 on it.
I'll take it.
Yeah, here's the table.
Get the legs.
I'm asking 20 on the table
20.
because it's got a little rust spot on the top.
Yeah, looks like somebody left something on it there. The legs fit on it. It's pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
And it's $20. I'll put it in my pile.
Did you want the little?
Yes.
That was 22. And the clawfoot tub is also an enamel tub.
Yeah, them things are heavy to move
Cast
around.
iron, it's heavy as hell.
Yeah, I've had them before, but.
I'll do 130.
Well, I was on the way home from the flea market and I saw a yard sale sign. And I used to wouldn't pass up any yard sale signs. When on a Saturday when I was out shopping, I went to all of them. But I went past this sign and I went about a half a mile down the road and it was the same yard sale sign on a different road. It circled around back to the same yard sale. I said, I'm stopping. I'm going to go back and check it out. And I'm glad I did because, man, I love enamelware and there was a bunch of enamelware there. It was a cool yard sale. And that's why I always used to go to yard sales. You never know what you're going to find at these yard sales. And this was a cool yard sale. We had a bunch of cool antiques and vintage stuff, my kind of stuff. Some of this stuff most of this stuff I'm going to sell, but there's a couple of pieces I'm going to keep. Let's take a closer look at it and see what all I bought. This cabinet right here, he had 25 on it. And all this stuff together, this is all of it here. Some stuff in there that I bought. He added it all. He wrote it down as I made me a pile, and it added up to be over $150. And he knocked it down. He already had cheap prices. He knocked it down to $130. I paid $130 for everything. But this cabinet right here, it's got this enamel top. He had 25 on it. I'd have paid 25 for it. It's got the drawer, and it's got the door on it. I'm going to take this to my sister and let her paint it for me. She does that rustic paint look on it. And I'm going to use this for my coffee pot. I'm going to put my coffee pot up here and my stuff that I use for coffee and keep it here in my office. But I've been looking for one of these, a small one like this, just to have for that coffee pot. And I bought this enamel table. There's the leg. He had the legs off of it. I haven't put them on. It's got the drawer on it. And it's got that rust spot down there on it where something sat on it and rusted it. But he had 25 on it also. And I'm going to take this to the antique mall. I'm going to put it together, take it to the antique mall. And I'm probably going to put $65 on it and see what happens over there. It'll sell. It's in pretty good condition except for that rust spot down there. And I bought these a set of 10 spice tins. These things are pretty early. They look early to me. They look real early. They just got that cool look to them. He had $6 on them. Like I said, he took less. I'm going to put $30 on these on eBay. And I bought these pitchers. I bought 2 of them. One's bigger than the other one. One's probably a gallon and one's maybe 2 gallons or a gallon and a half. He had 12 on that one, 15 on that one. And like I said, he took less for them. And these things bring pretty good money on eBay if you'll put them on there and just let them sit for the right person. But I'm not sure if I'll list these on eBay or take them to if I take them to the antique mall, I'll probably just put like $30 a piece on them and let them sell over there. 35. If I put them on eBay, I'm gonna put about $40 a piece on them and sell them on eBay for $40 for these 2 water pitchers. These things are just cool looking. You can put them in a wash tub, a wash pan, a enamel wash pan, and put them on top of in the middle of your dining table. That's just cool looking to me. And he gave me all these lids. He said, you can just have all them lids, take them with you. So I got all the lids for free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I could get probably $2 or $3 a piece for them if I decide to sell them. I might just keep them and match them up to stuff. I've got a bunch of enamelware out there in my building. Bunch. This is a little cream or milk can. $3 on it. And I'm probably going to put about $25 on that. If I take it to the antique mall, I'll probably put 20 on it. And this is a little tin national skillet. And I'm going to put about 20 or 25 on that. He let me have this for $2. His prices were cheap. I should have bought, there was a griddle there, a cast iron griddle. He had $5 on it. I don't know why I didn't buy it, but I didn't. It looked like it was in real good condition. It looked like it never hardly get used. And I bought this queen knife. This is the bigger size knife. It is pretty used. He wanted 20 for it, but he took less. I mean, he took $20 off after he added everything up. But he was asking 20 for this knife, and it's well used. I'll probably put about $35 or $45 on that and just see what happens. Lower it over time if it don't sell. Queen's a good brand, and it's a vintage knife. And he had this candle holder. This is an enamel candle holder. It needs some cleaning. It's got a bunch of wax melted, and some of that wax has got dirty. But he had $3 on it. And I see where one's listed on eBay right now for about 30 or 35. So I'll probably put 20 or 25 on mine and let her roll. And this was a really good find. This, I buy all these safety razors, if they adjustable like that one is. You see them numbers on it right there? That means it's adjustable. When I find the adjustable ones, if they $5 or less, I'll buy them. If they're the Fat Boy, this is a Fat Boy here. I'll pay $10 for them or more, according to the condition. This has still got the case. That makes it even better. It's a Fat Boy adjustable Gillette razor with the case. He was asking 10, and I'd have paid him 10 for it. I wouldn't even batted an eye, especially with this case. I saw where one just sold on eBay just like this in this same kind of case for $70 or $75. So I'm gonna put mine for I'm gonna put this for $75 just for this one piece right here. That was a really good find. And I bought this big oval wash tub. I call it a baby bathtub. He had $16 on it, and I'd have paid $16 all day for it. It's in good condition. It's got a few chips here and there, but it's just got that look to it. And I'll probably put about $40 or $45 on this at the antique mall. I'm not going to try to ship it. It's pretty big. And I bought this oil can for $3. I got it listed for $25. Well, that's a pretty cool find right there at this yard sale. I love enamelware. Most enamelware don't bring a whole lot of money, but man, I like it. It's just got that look to it that I like. And this yard sale had a bunch of cool stuff. I'm glad I stopped. You never know what you're going to find when you stop at these yard sales. But I do hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Share the videos with your friends. If you know somebody that likes antiques and reselling and flea markets, share the video with them. I do appreciate everyone for being here, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Happy hunting.